Okay, picking up where we left off, I've plugged this in for my x sub 1. Now let's go back and look real quick. I left off the 1900 and I just did 70, 80. So these are the years since 1970, so that would be 70, 80. So in doing those, and then I kept all of my y values the same. It's a cubic, so this is what my cubic equation should look like. My statistics say that my r value is not as close. It's not a really good match, but it does have the equation look for it. These are my A, B, C, and D values. So if I plug those in, I rounded these to 3 decimal places just to get a little bit better example. And I went back and I actually plugged in x equals 150 because that's the difference from 1970 to 2050 is 150. So when I plugged that in, that actually intersected my y at 387. So you would be 387 years old. That would be the life expectancy of a male in the year 2050. I don't know about you, but I don't think that's a good number. Remember, once they start getting so big and they start increasing exponentially, increasing so fast, you will get some answers that are skewed like this. But other than that, pretty easy when you plug in your information into Desmos.